Hi guys, good morning. We have new set of babies. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, she just gave birth this morning. In fact, 3 rabbits gave birth this morning. So this gave birth to 7. Let's check the other ones. Yeah, this also gave birth to 7. Well done. And I think, yeah, this is our first birth. Then let's check on the third one. This is the third one. She gave birth to just 1. Update on our Angora's baby. They're doing really good. So we lost the mother last week, but they've been doing fine. They're doing very fine. No issues with them. We brought these two to join them so they can be eating together. And that's the mama with 1 baby. I wasn't around last week and I was told some of our rabbits gave birth and we lost majority of them. So this one gave birth to 6 and only 1 survived. There's the baby. And there's one other rabbit that gave birth, but none of them survived. So today, 3 rabbits gave birth to 15, which is good. We're praying, hoping they all survive. These are 2-month-old rabbits. They're here as well. Let's bring one out. See? This are the male and this ones are female. These are 4 months old. They were giving birth in January. So they'll be 4 months this month. How big? Wow, this one is long. Will you see? It's this big. Let's see one from this cage. And this is another one. All 4 months old. This rabbit refused to feed her baby, and she have about 5 babies here. I think she gave birth to 7, right? Yes. So 2 already died, and we have 5 here, and she's not trying to feed them at all. So I have to do the force feeding method. I mean, look at them. Look at all of them. Like, they've not been fed at all. I just try to feed this one now. Okay, see the belly now. You see, the belly is out now. So I want to try feed the rest as well. I'm doing it one by one. She did not take out any of her hair at all. So the the breasts are all covered. Let's see. And I thought she was not lactating, but she is. She's lactating very well. So I'm just trying to clear the breast so it will be visible for the baby to suck. See the way they are looking? They look wet somehow. Maybe she peed on them. At least that first one has eaten a bit. See, now this one is also eating now. I want them to eat, even if it's little. At least they should have something in their belly because they look too skinny. And if we don't do that something, we might lose them. They might die. Because we've lost so many of recent, and the other one too didn't take care of our babies very well. How many died yesterday? Was it one?
This one.
No. Okay, yeah. It was 2 days ago that we lost about, was it not 4? 4 babies. More than 4. I don't know why they are not taking their baby. They are not taking care of their babies this time. Now this one is eating now. If I do this for like few days, you see their body is going to come back to how it's meant to be. Not to clean inside, I think that we are. Maybe I'll put new leaf inside so it will be convenient for them. But she peed inside. Can you see? She did not bring any of her 4 out at all to cover them, nothing. Fine, this is our first baby, but most times the ones that give birth for the first time, they take care of their kids. Well, this one is not even trying at all. She'll get tired soon. Okay. So, let me see the belly now. It's coming out. So. Now I still have about 3 babies to feed. The one I just fed is already there. I think he wants to sleep or something. Let the others also eat a bit. Let me try to look for another breast. I'm trying to be gentle to avoid pain. Okay, I found one. Oh my god. I pray they survive. They are very hungry. I think what I'll do is I'll reduce our babies. I'll take some to other cage. There's one other rabbit that also gave birth the same day as her. So maybe I'll take some of our babies there. So that one can take care of them. See, they're very, very hungry. want to pluck some purple leaves so I can give some rabbits. Let's do this one. Yeah. I'm just giving 2 rabbits, and this is okay. I'm giving this one. I'm not giving her everything. Let's just keep. Alright. This is enough. Hey, that's not for you. That's okay for her. And then this one I'm going to go give the other rabbits 8, 3, and 11. Yes. Yeah, we're giving this one in cage 11. The cage have not been cleaned. Alright, so let's clean it. I'm going to take this feed out of here. It's too much and it's in a powdered form. See, they don't like taking powdered feed, so I'm going to change it and put a fresh one. Let's clean this place first. Imagine, I'm already in your scattering. Hello. Okay, let's move it to this side then. Maybe she prefers this place. Imagine what this rabbit is doing to me. She wants it this way. Anyways, let's give her the leaves. She will eat it later. I'll just put it here. And then I'll change her feed and give her feed as well. This is another way we force feed them. We bring the box out of the cage to this side, and then we'll make sure that she's in the box for at least, let's say, 20 minutes so they can feed. Although we have just one baby in here, the baby is feeding. So I'll just leave it like this, and I just like to rub their body like this so they can be calm and allow their kids to eat very well. If not, she might want to just come outside. This rabbit, she's becoming very aggressive. I don't know. If I try to go closer, she makes sounds. She's still pregnant. We're waiting for her to give birth. I'm helping her do the cage, like just put the other things inside so she can give birth in there. We don't want her to give birth on the net. Hopefully, we are praying she gives birth in the box. And then let's check on this one. Oh, she's really taking care of them. Wow. Yeah. Okay. I'll bring her out. So she had already breastfed them. She breastfed all of them, so they are doing good. So yesterday we lost one rabbit, a big one, a breastfeeding rabbit. She was the one that gave birth to 1, 2, 3. We don't know what happened. We just woke up and she was there, already dried. But we kept our kids here, and this rabbit is taking care of them. This is our own child. You see, different from the rest. But she's doing good. She's taking care of all of them. And this one with this one right here are the kids of the one I just brought out to first feed. And she's doing good. She's doing good. Anyways, we just put our feed here. She's not ready to eat. When she's ready, she will come and eat. And we still have this corn peel here. So for when they want to, in case they don't want to eat that one, they can just chew on this thing. Just trying to clean it, remove all the dirt. So this tomato peel. Oh, she did not eat the garbage yesterday. So let's clean this place. All right, and that is done. I'm trying to check where she pulled. Okay, she pulls here. Let me put this ones here since she pulls on this side. So let's move them to that side. Let me try put some of this in the box, the dried one. They usually eat the dry ones too, like they eat the fresh and the dry, everything together. Right, and this is ready. So anytime she wants to give birth, I think she's going to give birth this week, anytime soon. Okay. Let's continue with feeding. This cage is empty now, no rabbit here. This was the one that we lost yesterday. Honestly, we tried to cut her open to check what caused the death, but we couldn't get any reason. So anyways, that's it. Well, things like that happen in farm, so it happens. Anyways, the rest are doing fine. We've lost so much rabbits in the space of, is it now 1 month here? We've lost so much. So there's no baby in this cage. No babies here. There are no babies here. And we still have this ones. Now that one, I don't know, it has refused to eat. I'm just hoping it survives. But I think he had a little, but wasn't much. And these ones are still here. We have 5 of them here, and then 5 of them here as well. And there are 2 here. We fed all of them in this cage, and we're about to just close it up. We're going to leave those things there just for them to chew on it. In case they don't want to eat this one, they can eat that one. We're done feeding this cage, that one, and that one over there. We have a cage that we're constructing, another one, but that's going to be very big. But it's taking time. It's taking time, so we're just doing it bit by bit. Anyways, I'm about to cover this cage. The weather is a bit cooler now, but once it gets to, like, let's say 12-1, it gets really hot. So, and we're trying to avoid too much casualty yeah, we know there's going to be casualty, but we're trying to avoid too much. So I'm going to use this thing to cover them. We usually just cover them, and then we cover the front as well, so sun doesn't get into the cage like too much. There's no how we're going to prevent sun, obviously, but it won't get to them too much, and so they don't feel too hot.